Hi, I'm Reverend Dr. J. Herbert Nelson, Stated Clerk of the Presbyterian Church, U.S.A. I come to you today to offer an opportunity to engage pertinent topics of theological inquiry, worship, practice, and service for young people at Monmouth College in Monmouth, Illinois.
So we're starting this Lux Institute, Summer Theological Institute for high school youth. And what it does, it helps us expand our opportunities from the Lux Center to a new group of high school students here in the summer. The ideal student, I think, that will be attracted to this Summer Institute will be that theologically curious young man or young woman in your church youth group or who comes to church and is asking the pastor a lot of questions. So we're hoping churches will send their young people to us for 2 weeks in the summer to this Theological Institute, and then we can gift them back to the church as newly inspired leaders.
This program will take an opportunity to help young people to understand more about theological inquiry, to think through not only patterns of God in their own life, but to build a sense of how they apply to the events and also the actions that are called for in this day and age.
It has volition like human beings in that God is free and has
For 2 weeks, these students will get to come here, have a real community building experience with other high school students and college students that'll be here helping shepherd them through the program. So they'll have a community building time where they get to set aside their activities from home and really contemplate big theological issues. And I think to get that deep, you kind of need to set time apart and set yourself apart from the day-to-day life. And this institute really provides a great space and environment for them to do it. It's pretty inspiring to be here because it's beautiful and it's quiet, and we've got some great resources to offer them through the campus.
Monmouth College is a college that is returning to its Presbyterian roots and giving declaration to the fact that somehow we have an opportunity to transform the world through today's youth.